today we will have a look at Erik dubay, and he has found a flat earth fool from a long time ago. Let's start. First of all, I want to thank all my patrons, members, donors and subscribers. All of you are important for me. Thank you very much.
The Downfall of Modern Astronomy, 50 Scientific Facts, by Ebenezer Breach.
So, who is this Ebenezer Breach? He lived in the 19th century. He died over 100 years ago. He lived in Portsmouth, England, and he was a flat earth fool. He wasn't a scientist, and he wrote letters to the school board, tried to forbid them to teach about the globe. He also did write letters to universities, both in England and the US, and tried to force them to stop teaching about the globe. I have the same publication as Erik have, so let's listen a bit to him. I will not listen to all 50 arguments, but let's hear it from Erik.
1. The word astronomy is taken from the Greek words signifying the laws of the stars. Astron, a star. Nomos, a law. Nemo, to regulate. A science that explains the regulation of the stars. It is quite distinct from the science of physical geography, which belongs entirely to the Earth. For astronomy, we must look up. For geography, look down. 2. The Earth belongs not at all to the science of astronomy, as it is not a planet, a star, nor a heavenly body. The mixing of things by speech, which by nature are distinct, causes contradiction, circumlocution, and all absurdity.
What a lot of crap. Oh dear.
3. The Earth was created 3 days before the planets, therefore it is not in the order of planets, it is not a globe, and has never revolved a mile. It must be as fixed as a sundial, to accomplish the remarkable phenomena, the precision of the equinoxes. 4. A planet is a wandering star. The Earth is not a wandering star. A star is a burning lamp. The Earth is not a burning lamp. The heavenly bodies are in the firmament of the sky. The Earth is not in the sky, nor in the plane of the sun. Else, when on the equator, you would see the sun in a straight line before you, but it is seen right over your head. The planets might well blush to own for company the Earth so vile and stained. 5. The planets have a very eccentric motion. They occasionally slacken their pace, then stop, move backwards on their track, stop again, and finally resume their onward motion. If this occurred to the Earth as a planet, everything must go to confusion and destruction, revolving as is supposed several ways at one time.
Planets are stars, and they move forwards, stops and goes backwards. And where is the proof for that nonsense? Oh dear.
6. No revolving body whatever was ever made, constructed, or intended for habitation. Show us a revolving body, we show you an uninhabited body. Show us an inhabited body, we show you an unrevolving body. Ministers of the Church of England, see Homily 29, paragraph 15, which you vow to abide by at your ordination. 7. The non-revolution of the earth is every moment self-evident, but people have been so hoodwinked that false theories are believed before the testimony of the eyes. If true, no railway engine could keep the metals as the hand cannot be kept on the drum of a revolving shaft. 8. Every solid building must rest on solid foundations. That the earth is on its foundations is declared by the master builder 30 times over. 12 times it is said to be established or fixed, 4 times on its pillars, once on its sure base that it should not move at any time. 9. At least 3/4 of the world's surface is water. Water always finds its level, and moves till it does. Every calm sea is a true level. Therefore 3/4 of the world's surface being level. Of what use is it to suppose the other quarter globular?
And of course, this man was a flat earther and don't know the difference between level and flat. We don't have a flat sea and curves on land. That's only stupid. Okay, this was the first 9 of the 50 arguments he's pointing out in this book that Erik is reading from. I have read the book, so I know that Erik is quoting it correctly. But Erik believes in this man. He's not a scientist. He lived for 120, 130 years ago, and he based his beliefs on the Bible. And he lived long before many discoveries about astronomy and so on. Is Erik so desperate? So he looking for these old fools? It like someone 100 years from now would quote Nathan Thompson or some other fool from internet. Oh, I can't stand more of this foolishness. That was all I have for you this time. I will be back tomorrow, Friday, 11 UTC with the live. If you like the video, become a member, subscribe, or just come back next time I publish a video. See you soon. Bye.